we about to get in this cut real quick, you know.
Gotta represent for the light skins, you know what I mean?
We're gonna look for a bathroom, put on our contacts so we could not look like a dweeb out here in the streets. So, oh, how you doing? All right, cool. And we about to see the views. Ooh, look at the kayaks. Ooh, look at the potential and look at the details. The details. Ooh, this one right here though. All right, let's go get this. Gianna knows where to go, so wherever she goes, we follow. They say follow the leader. I say red barrels. Oh, my string is hanging. I got a string dangling. Oh, gee. Alright. What you trying to grab? You trying to grab my butt? When we going. So, you know how to paddleboard.
Yeah.
I don't know how to paddleboard. What do I do?
We just balance.
Balance?
Yeah. What are you guys looking at? Some kayaks and paddleboards.
Okay.
The standard route to the lighthouse.
I'll see you guys when we get on these paddleboards. We are here. I'm not a pro kayaker, but you know, I'm gonna be really, you know, calm with this. I'm probably gonna just try to play up here if I can. I'll probably figure out something, guys, but yeah, you know, we out here in the water, you know, getting the work in, getting that shoulder work. We're waiting for Brute right now, so we just chilling dry docked. But yeah.
Hey guys, have fun.
Thank you, you too. Shout out to this group. I really appreciate it. So, you know, Gardner is way behind back there. You know, oh, now she's coming to save him. Ooh, that's a big daddy board. Oh, as you can see, there's a gondola. Trying to beat me.
Got your ass.
Yeah.
Playing bumper cars over here, boy.
Bumper car. Gardner, what you doing back there? You're talking to your mama. You're struggling out there. See, on here, back in the waters, man, people be struggling. People don't got homes, so we living on boats. It be like that sometimes. So, you know, got me living in this boat. All I got is like a plastic bag for my pee and poop, and then extra life jacket, just in case. 10 likes and I'll make sure she falls off her kayak. Oh, was good.
Oh, wait.
Whew.
Take mine off.
Oh, dang. Y'all just think y'all good swimmers, huh? Yeah. I got that level too. I'm here like chilling with my little life vest on. I'm safe. See, I think it's, you know, it's my style. Like, it looks fashionable. It goes with my shorts, my trunks. What? Let's be a what? A train?
That's what I heard.
Train,
A train?
Yeah. Oh, shit. You ready?
Yeah, this
For,
And then you go behind me, and then
this is about to kill me.
give me a paddle, and I'll hold it with
Give
my
me a
feet.
second. Here. All right. Y'all hoes get off my boat. All right. Because everyone trying to touch me, trying to touch my little boat. This is my home.
Let me put it right here. In between my legs.
Or get on the coffee.
Oh yeah, I could just grab onto this. Frick, no.
Or make you get it.
What are we doing? What the frick?
No shit, you're in the water. Hi.
Hey.
Yeah, you got water all over you.
Ooh, look at Neil sun tanning with his nice brown skin.
I don't mind.
Made me want to lick your brains and stuff. Man. Oh crap! I gotta grab on. Oh.
Word.
This happened. If I let go, it's all over. So that's not good. Come aboard the choo-choo train, the choo-choo train, the choo-choo. Ba-doop boop. Yeah, Brut's the trooper. Get it? Yeah. Yeah, Brute. The conductor. Choo-choo. Oh dang! Oh no! Oh no! Almost.
It was our idea.
Girl power.
It was our idea. I believe
Oh
in
dang!
equality. I'm slipping, Mason.
You slipping? You slipping?
Equal opportunity.
Ah. Oh! So it's been like 10 minutes and Brute is still like paddling, as you can see, and she's just taking us along. She's a trooper. Look at those delts. Look at those deltoids, those shoulder muscles. All right, so I'm gonna try to cut. Don't crash into me. All right, so once we get over there, I'll bring you guys back. I got poked in the butt. But yeah, I'm gonna cut to that, and we'll see what happens from there. So we made it to the beach. I had to pull her. But yeah, dang, wow, this looks beautiful, man. Good sight to see.
Is your shorts cold? I mean, your shorts
Yeah, my shorts are pretty cold.
wet?
Yeah. Oh no, I'm just kidding. They're not that bad. Feel my phone. Oh, now the sand's hot. Ooh, and we got some shell. Ooh, ew. I'm doing like that little Michael Jackson dance. Ooh, titty tatty. Ooh. Do a little like the kick. Ooh. All right. Ooh. See, this is why I should have brought shoes. I was debating, but I was like, nah, I'm good. Ooh. Okay. Was not expecting this. I should have brought shoes. So if you guys do come here and visit here, wear shoes while kayaking. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, dang, you're gonna get like a whole minute of me doing ooh ooh wow wow bing bang. Ooh, I'm trying to find like some smooth sand, not some. Ooh, never knew Washington could get hot like this. That's new. All right, we got the bulls right there. I mean, that water's pretty cold.
Wow! Babe, that shit hurt! No, you can. You can't paddleboard here.
She was behind me. What the? Yeah. Put it as my little thumbnail. Ooh, what the See, it's like either hot rocks or cold rocks. See.
Oh, cool.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cool.
Now we know we're not from here. If we're like, ooh.
That is so cool. Oh my god, that's fucking not even that cool.
All right. Ooh, if you're from the east, ooh, my whole body just shivered.
At least not my feet. I bet you can't get your nuts in.
Yeah, no one can. Ooh.
Oh, that bitch cold. Fuck you.
Now she's like, nah, I'm good. You about to pull me down. Oh, that's cool. All right, it's either super hot or super cold, super hot fire or super hot ice. Yeah, I don't know where Brute went, but. She is? Oh yeah, I see her. I thought I was more dramatic. This dude is tweaking. He doing the he's doing the little. Oh, there's a beast.
Hi.
Oh. So if you like cold water, then you can get it. But these numbnuts want to get cold in the water. But you know, us East Coasties, California, you know, just chilling.
Can you take a picture of me for Root in the water?
Why you say it like that?
Can you take a picture of a fruit tonight in the water?
Yo.
If she jumped.
Who's is that? Yours, Gardner?
Mine's the yellow.
Instead of pull that bitch up.
How
How many times do I gotta hit you?
Oh boy, Cole, what?
Yeah.
Keep those on.
You good? Guys, we're back, you know.
Seafood?
We survived.
Seafood?
Ooh, seafood.
Seafood? So good. Seafood? So
Where?
that we can still stay, I don't know, look something up by the beach.
Yeah.
You know, I'm posting this online. They're gonna see you.
We're such girls.
They'll be like, ooh, ooh. We're about to go into like pizza joint, but
Same thing as Florida.
see, no shirt, no service. No, I'm just kidding. But,
I was about to say on the beach. What kind of rule is that?
We can ask.
watch this. I could say this perfectly. Bianxo, Ruzies,
Bronco, Rose,
Chian Titties,
Montel Pusiano.
oh,
Oh, bakery.
Monte Carlo Puto, oh, Puciano.
Oh my God.
Belay my life. I didn't mean to.
Stupido.
Estupido. Cafe Umbria. Mass required.
Mask
I don't have
required.
a
Hello. All of
Yeah,
them,
but-
all of them, most of them are gonna need masks required.
All right, but yeah, I'll come back to you guys
I
in a
gotta-
second.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I think we're gonna look for somewhere to eat, and that's when I'll bring you guys back up. So we're here at the trolley, getting some food. You know, they are already ordering. We're about to order. The menu is pretty cool. We got a lot of choices. Yeah. Printed and folded. Yeah, we're probably gonna get the triple BLT, and we're gonna move over to shade because it's kind of hot. We're gonna do the little outro. All right, thank you guys for tuning in to this. It's right under your back. So, all right, thanks guys for tuning in to this recent episode of Rajus Vlogs. Today we went kayaking and it was amazing with my friends, as you can see. Stay tuned for more episodes. I'm sorry for a hiatus. I got an episode coming out of like why I was gone for so long. But we're gonna make these continuously because we got friends now.
What? Friends now?
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Check y'all later. Before we end this video today, we're just gonna shout out my boy Applesauce. It's Neil from the videos that we've been doing, especially, and he started his own vlogging channel, so go check him out. As well as my friend Micah right here, go check his channel out. He does reactions as well as song covers, and he's a talented singer. So go check these guys out, and stay tuned for the next episode of what I got planned for you, of traveling and stuff, whatever I put on next. Anyways, see you guys next time.